Going grocery shopping.
Well, you could actually get really sophisticated. You could like live stream too.
Yeah.
And don't forget about your like and subscribe. I haven't done with this yet.
If you would like to see me play with more wood, please like and subscribe. I really will get that tattooed.
Is there any way we could get stickers that you could just do that so it looks like it? So you don't see like the shine on it?
Yeah.
Like a transfer or something?
For sure.
Okay.
We could do tattoo ink pens.
Okay.
Those work.
Tattoo ink pens, okay.
Just draw it on. Am I chopping this off here?
Yeah, you go ahead and just give it the same treatment.
Okay. Don't worry, fellas. This is the only wood I chop. It's definitely more resistance with the real wood. I don't really want to get any closer. Maybe.
Yeah, you're probably good. I would try to get into that corner in the middle if you could. I would try to take a little bit more out of this, like a V if you can. That'll make it a lot easier to route. It's probably pretty good.
Got stuck on something. Where
Okay. Smell the pie cooking now.
is that? Smells good. Definitely gonna have to adjust the height on this one.
Yeah. And oh, actually, you've got the tools on you to do that if we need to actually crank it up. But we'll see if we need to.
Crank it up.
And kind of shore the edges up more so it's stable when it gets cut instead of versus the middle, if that makes sense.
Try that again without ice in your mouth.
Is that shit in my mouth? Okay. Put thinner pieces more along edge versus ones in the middle, because when we're cutting that, we want it like, I guarantee you that's too thick for that piece. It's like by 3 times, or that'll be a spot we'll never get off. Like the template will break. You'll break the template. The wood will be fine. The template will break. I've done this. This was trial and error. I probably did 5 of these before I was brave enough to actually do the neck.
You just like seeing me do the messy things, don't you? I figured. right, let's check the height.
So, all you really got to do for this, you have some adjustment, just like that. Yeah. No good. Right there should do it. Okay.
Sweet.
Let me get my eyeballs on so I can.
Let me adjust my like and subscribe buttons here.
It gets warm, you can always see that.
That's scary.
Smaller bites if you got to.
Oh,
That's that tip out. So that's why you got to go with the grain on this. I forgot to say that to you. So look at the grain pattern and look at the way it's spinning. And you'll learn by trial and error.
so I'll learn by scaring the shit out of myself. Okay. Got it.
That's why I like the bandsaw as close as possible. There's little pieces of pitch in that pine, and that's what it's catching on too. You'll never get your first one right. And be sure you give the bit a break to cool down a little bit. That's a rough spot. A real headstock would not be like that. There you go. Okay, see now you're cutting into the green now a little bit. You're getting by, so okay. Okay, let the bit cool down a second here. Okay, back off a little bit on that one. Good. Slow, slow, slow. You see the little dark spots here? That means you're moving too fast. Okay, back off. Let the blade cool. Okay.
Don't be afraid to go to the bandsaw, back to the bandsaw on that.
Stupid corner is coming off.
Yeah.
Fucking corner.
I probably use the bandsaw the most for this very purpose. Can't run the AC and the air compressor at the same time.
Blow fuse.
It will blow a fuse. Yeah, that's why I've got actually the vacuum running off a leg over here, off the side of the house. It's actually running from the outside entryway. It's you're good. Yeah. You want a mask?
Maybe.
I got one right here for you. Go ahead and flip the router off. Real quick. Just flip the router off. Gotcha. So we can hear for a second. So yeah, as you can see, there's always going to be parts that are going to be fun to cut. And it's even that end where you're getting around that corner. It's like it was my third one before of doing that, before I even felt like I even had it close. let the blade cool off for a sec. Checking it out there. I wouldn't worry too closely right there. You can just come back on it. That's as good as we're going to get for that. All right. So.
It's like impossible.
Yeah, it's just practice.